my loves, what's up and welcome back. You're listening to Minidhi and it's officially the holiday season. I am traveling, so I thought why not to share the perfect travel makeup kit with y'all, because I'm sure many of y'all must be traveling as well. Here I am with my travel makeup essentials from Swiss Beauty, and do not miss out on this video because you're going to be finding some beautiful makeup gems from their line that you would not want to miss out your hands on. Now let's begin with today's video. So that is my travel makeup kit that I'll be talking you all through, and I love to divide it into two parts. A small part of it contains only and only essentials that are perfect for on-the-go purpose, and the rest of the products are those which have a travel-friendly packaging plus sturdy enough that do not spill or leak in my bag. And third and the most important feature that I see in the products are that they must be multifunctional, because then I have to carry a lot less number of products, and it's much more handy, honestly. So that's how I divide and choose my products for my travel makeup kit. So let's get started. Let's start with the smallest kit first. This is the most adorable pouch I own, and that is how it looks. It's a pretty holographic pouch that you can easily dump into your purse, your handbag, your tote bags. It's so easy to travel with. It is known as their Winter Essentials Makeup Kit, which contains their bestseller products, and honestly I feel if you get this on the go, you are like sorted. The first product in this kit is a concealer, which is their liquid concealer. Again, if you know me from a while, you know how much I love the Swiss Beauty concealers. I've talked about their concealers in so many of my videos, and you get a shade in this as well, which is perfect for concealing just on the desired areas, like for on the go concealing or touch-ups. If you want, you can definitely try this one out. This is in the shade 2, and that's a highlighting shade for me with yellow undertones. Moving to product number 2, which I feel is very necessary especially when I'm traveling, is this, and I really love the packaging. It's like, again, a 2-in-1 product. Because of the packaging, it carries a lot less of space in my bag as well. So basically this is a 2-in-1 eyebrow powder and gel eyeliner stack. Here you get your eyebrow powder. Also have a small mirror which comes in so handy while you're traveling. You can like fix your eyebrows anytime on the go. And right at the bottom you get your gel eyeliner. The eyeliner is creamy, jet black, pigmented, and dries down matte. The liner's matte, it does not smudge and is very, very long lasting again. And it being a gel formula, it's very long lasting and would not hurt your eyes. And that is how the liner comes. I really love the liner on this one. And if I show a swatch of the eyebrow product, it's a dark gray kind of shade, so you can use it with lighter hand and gentle strokes to fill in your brows on the go. Just because of the packaging, I feel it is so easy to carry with. You can anytime fix up your brow. You can check your face because the mirror is quite clear in this one, though it's a teeny tiny, but love the packaging on it. And with that, we come to the third product that is included in this Winter Essentials makeup kit, is the On The Move lip palette, which comes with 9 different colors of lip shades. All of the 9 colors that you get in this lip palette, it's a beautiful selection of nudes and browns and pink tones, which I feel would be perfect to not only use it as your lip color but also as a cheek tint. Now it has a beautiful selection of nude colors and pink and warm tones, and I feel this is again a product which is a multifunctional, and I would not just use it as a lip color but also as a cream blush for touch-ups on the go. This would be just perfect. And not just that, you also get this teeny tiny dual-ended brush along the kit, which comes with a flat brush on one side which you can use for lipstick application, while an angled brush on the other end I feel is perfect for filling up your eyebrows and drawing your eyeliner with this angled brush. So you're like literally sorted on the go. This small kit contains literally all of the best sellers and products which are super versatile and would be perfect for on the go touch-ups and perfect for traveling purpose. So that was their Winter Essentials travel kit. I feel though this kit is very chotu, but it contains all of the products which are super versatile, multifunctional and perfect for on the go. Whenever I'm traveling, this directly goes into my purse, and that was the Winter Essentials makeup kit. Now moving on to the other products with which I love to travel with from Swiss Beauty. This product, and I'm sure you might have guessed by now because I've talked about this one n number of times on my channel. I swear by this so much, and I've fallen in love with how good this product performs, and is so affordable as well. I'm talking about the Real Makeup Base from Swiss Beauty. Like, you can go through my channel. I've talked about this so many times in my videos, and I've been using this since a very long time. I already have a backup, and this too, I've used it up so much. You can surely see why I love this base so much, because it's really hard to run out of strobe creams, because all you need is like a tiny teeny pea size amount of it. I don't know if it's just me, but I always have this fear to run out of my favorite products during some special occasion. So I always end up purchasing a new one way before the old one gets emptied. Product basically is a 2-in-1 hybrid product, because it's going to do work of a strobe cream as well as that of a primer, and it also moisturizes. Honestly, all you need is like a tiny amount of it, and that is how the product is. I literally just apply it on the high points of my face like so, and blend it with my fingers gently, and it would just add that glass like, you know, dewiness and sheen on my face without making my face glittery. I love the fact that it not only moisturizes, primes, as well as adds that perfect luminosity to my base. Works as a strobe cream as well. Like 10 on 10 for this product from Swiss Beauty. I swear by it. This was in the variant 01 Natural Tint. Post that, I move on to my base. Now for my base, I usually just like to conceal, and you can use a foundation. I even like the high coverage foundation from Swiss Beauty. That's shade number 8. It has a beautiful warm yellow undertone. I feel would be perfect for NC40 skin tone. But when I'm traveling, I like to carry my concealer instead of a foundation, because I feel concealer does it all, and with that smaller packaging as well. Concealers from Swiss Beauty would never ever wrong you. The formulation is amazing on this concealer. It's high coverage, plus it does not crease. It covers beautifully without giving you that ashiness, and would not even dry out your skin. Plus it comes in a variety of shades to choose from. You can definitely find your match in it. I own 5 shades of this concealer, so I'll be swatching all of them, which I feel might be useful for you to choose your shade. That's shade 2, shade number 4, shade number 6, that's shade number 14, that is 01, which is a warm sand. So those are the 5 shades of the concealer that I own, and I feel the top 2 shades work perfectly for my skin tone to just use it on itself, while the lower shade I like to use as highlighting ones. This concealer is literally just perfect, because you would not feel the need of a base with this, and I'll show you how. That's shade number 14, and you can see my dark circles right away. Just like 2 dots of it is literally what I need. And there you go, right over here, here and here. That's the amount of concealer I literally use. I'll be using the foundation brush, which comes in this set of 6 face brushes, and I'll quickly blend this out, and you can prominently see the difference. The coverage is so beautiful, and my skin still looks hydrated. It does not dry out or, you know, make my dry patches very visible and out to the world, and that is the reason why I love this concealer. Now moving to the next product that goes into my makeup kit, which has to be a cream blush, because I love to use a cream blush, and you know it by now. So this is the Cheek It Up blush from Swiss Beauty. Now this product has a beautiful packaging like this. It has, like, you know, a soft matte packaging to the product, and it also comes with its own small cover so that you do not end up messing up with the stick, and that is how you just twist it to bring the product up, and there you go. It's a beautiful cream blush which just adds that a pop of color with an effortless glide on your skin without lifting the base, and just like that I like to add three dots over there and across my nose and blend it out. The formulation literally blends in a jiff, and I just love how sturdy and how cute and travel friendly the packaging is, plus the product performs beautifully. Post my blush is done, I just like to use a little dab of powder at places where I just need to set a bit of my concealer. Now, if you're an oily skin type person, you can definitely go ahead and bake, but I just like to set very, very lightly. And for that, I love this translucent powder from Swiss Beauty. It is their loose finishing powder, and if you've been on my channel, you know my love towards translucent powder, and it's a beautiful one. It just sets the base perfectly. It just helps to control shine and make your base look filtered and smooth. Again, the packaging is one that you can perfectly travel with. Once you open the lid, here you get a mirror. You also get a puff inside, and once you open up the lid, you would get a sifter beneath, which again would avoid the powder spilling everywhere. So I really love the packaging. Like, Swiss Beauty has their packaging game on point. Formula again of the powder is super smooth and just blurs your pores and would make your base very long lasting. Would gently set underneath my eyes where I've applied the concealer. And there you go. You can see it's like an instant shine killer and would make your base look super smooth, like you can see the area for yourself. Post that, what is really important in your makeup kit is a good lip balm, because not always you feel like wearing a lipstick, and at that time a good lip balm, a tinted one, would be much better, honestly. And this is another beautiful product from them which I've loved. And now these lip balms do the work of adding a good moisturization back to your lips with that balminess on, and would not let your lips feel dry or chapped, especially during the winter time. Plus it also adds a hint of tint to your lips, which again is like Sone Pe Suhaga, makes it look even more beautiful. And use it on your lipstick like so, just like a dab of it, and there you go. It looks so pretty. How can we complete a makeup kit without a good mascara? This one is the Precision Mascara from Swiss Beauty with a beautiful tapered packaging, and that is how the wand comes. Mascara has a flex wand and would add that perfect length to your lashes without making them clumpy or fake looking. There you go. That is like one coat of the mascara and no mascara on this side. You can see the difference for yourself. You can see the length on my lashes, and it also works as a good eyebrow gel to finish off your brow. And there you go. That's how easily you can achieve this everyday minimal look using all of the products. But I also like to add a product which can take my minimal everyday look within seconds to a glam makeup look. I'm talking about the holographic eyeliners from Swiss Beauty. These are multi-chrome liners that can literally take your game from 0 to 100 within seconds. It is so travel friendly. It comes in a retractable twist up packaging like so, with which you get the ease to apply the product as an eyeliner or even as an eyeshadow. And there you go. That's how creamy the formula is. And these are multi-chrome shadows. Like, oh my god, you can see the shift from blue to purple. It's killing me. I just love how gorgeous these are. Now these are long lasting, smudge proof as well as waterproof is what they say. And one, oh my god, looks just so stunning. Just look at it, how gorgeous this is. The third one is this right here. Even if you have just these 3 shades, you are sorted. You do not need any other eyeshadow in your stack. Lightly, I'm just drawing an eyeliner, and oh my god, this looks so damn pretty. Just look at how gorgeous my eyes are looking. I just can't stop staring at these. And those were all of the products in my travel makeup kit. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You can find all of the products linked in the description box below. Do check that out. All of these products, you can literally create any look, and that's all that I love to carry in my travel makeup kit from Swiss Beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. With that, we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.